Today we are having a look at how to grow your YouTube channel. Now in this video what I'm going to do is I'm just going to walk you through a really simple strategy that you can use to go ahead and get more video views and more subscribers onto your channel. And this is something that I've gone ahead and I've implemented myself, and what I'll do in this video is I'll show you some stats. I'll show you how you can go ahead and basically get started with this method of growing your YouTube channel. And let me tell you what this video is not. This video is not going to be telling you to go and find related channels and spam loads of comments on them so that hopefully people come and follow you back, because not only is that spammy, it's very time consuming. So in this video I'll walk you through a really simple strategy and method that you can use to go ahead and grow your YouTube channel, and this is for the long term, and I'll show you exactly what I mean by that in the video, and I'll show you some analytics for that. So let's go into this video and I'll just walk you through this entire process. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video what I'm going to share with you is I'm going to share with you some of my stats when I was first starting out on YouTube. I'm going to share with you some free software that you can use to go ahead and start implementing this method, and I'll just walk you through this entire process of how you can start structuring your videos, how you can find new videos and new content that you can create around keywords, and then just basically how you can start expecting to get more views and subscribers onto your channel. So this obviously is my channel here, Not Taught at School. Now let me scroll down here and I'll show you some stats. So you can see here I started posting and taking YouTube seriously the end of August 2018, and then you can see on here I've been updating this on my about page for a while. Now in terms of the actual subscribers over onto my YouTube channel, it was a very slow process, and maybe you can relate to this. You spend hours. I personally don't spend hours on my videos now, but in the beginning I was going ahead, I was creating content, I was editing it, I was playing around with the audio, the lighting and all the other bits, and to be fair I probably still haven't got it right. But I know some YouTubers who spend a hell of a lot of time editing, and then they hit publish and they literally get like 20 or 30 views, so it can be very disheartening. But in this video what I'm going to share with you is I'm going to share with you this simple strategy that you can use to go ahead and find keywords, and then once you've got those keywords, how you can start creating your videos to them to start attracting more viewers over and more subscribers over onto your channel. Now in the past couple of months I've taken many different courses on YouTube, and I've tweaked and I've tested, and some of the courses that I've taken have been absolute crap and I've not learned anything. And then some of the other courses I've taken elements, I've then tweaked it, I've tested it, and I've put my own spin on it, and it's going pretty well. As you can see from here on the screen, the numbers are going in the right direction. I'm averaging about 1,000 subscribers a month now, which is I'm very happy with this. So let me walk you through this process here. So you can see on the top here, in fact this is what this video is going to be called, how to grow your YouTube channel. And you can see here down below you've got this here where it says volume. So currently 1,900 people a month are searching for this search term. Now let me go ahead and very quickly show you another example of this and how I actually went ahead and put this into practice, and how you can do the same on your channel. So on here I've just typed in make money on Pinterest, and you can see here there's currently 1,600 people a month who are searching for that search term. Now if I scroll down here on YouTube, you can see, where's my video here? It's here. This is my video here, how to make money on Pinterest, and you can see it's had over 3,200 views, and this video is actually doing pretty well in terms of the rankings. I'm above some pretty big accounts. You can see I'm above this account here by Brendan Mace. He's a big internet marketer. Scroll down here, we've then got a guy called Greg from the Caffeinated Blogger. Again, he's got 24,000 followers, 24,000 subscribers. His videos had a lot more views than mine, but again I'm managing to rank above him on this screen here. So my tip or my strategy for this is going ahead and creating videos around search volumes which are below 5,000. Now also as well, you can see on here this says make money on Pinterest. If I just go and click on there, also this here is YouTube suggesting other videos for you. But again you can see all of these search volumes here to the right hand side of this. Now you can go ahead and use this method for your channel, and this will work in any channel or any niche, whether that's weight loss, whether that's gaming, health and fitness, make money online, etc. So the first part of this process here is, and how you can start looking and finding these search volumes, is going and getting a free tool called this one here. It's called keywordseverywhere.com. Now I'll drop a link to the website down below for you, but basically you come over here and then you can install this for Chrome and Firefox. Once you've installed it, it will just go along here with any other extensions that you have. So it looks like this here, this blue one here. Then what will happen is whenever you're on any of these platforms here, so you see Google search, you've got eBay, YouTube, Amazon, there's many different channels on here, but whenever you're on any of these different websites, basically it will go ahead and it will show you the search volumes. So once you come over to here and you install this, it'll go up here. Then when you go onto YouTube, let's go back over onto YouTube here. Whenever you're searching anything along here, it will show you the search volumes. And this is what I did when I first started out with my channel and taking it serious. I started looking for search terms under 5,000 every single month, because let me give you an example of this. So I'm going to go in here and I'll just type in make money. So you can see here, make money. Just go ahead and search for this. I'm going to click on search, just the search term make money. I'm pretty certain it will be very high. But then again, you can go ahead and play around with this. And this is exactly how I started doing this process when I was first starting out on YouTube and looking at different videos to create. So you can see here, the search, this here is called the search title. So this here is 301,000 people are basically coming onto YouTube and just typing in make money every single month. Now if I go back up here and click on make money, and then I'm going to click this space, so make money and then space. You can see here YouTube now is showing you alternative keywords along here that you can go ahead and start creating. So you've got make money on Pinterest, make money on YouTube without videos, etc, etc. And you can see the search volumes next to every single one of these. So you can see if you was just going to go ahead and create a video saying make money, you're not going to have any chance of getting many views on that video whatsoever. You've got make money online, again 201,000 searches every single month. That would be quite hard to, well, it'd be extremely hard for you to go ahead and get your video ranking for these. So what you want to do is go ahead, get the free software, come over to YouTube and start running some of the numbers in there. So if you've got a video in mind, you can come over here, put it in the search bar and start running the numbers and start finding some search volumes below 5,000. Now these ones here, like the 1,600 searches a month, these are perfect to go ahead and put your videos onto YouTube. And they rank pretty quickly in terms of getting views onto those. I'll go ahead and I'll go into my analytics and I'll show you some of the search volumes for this, because believe it or not, these videos that you put onto YouTube, they're actually shown over in Google as well. And I'm getting quite a bit of traffic over to this make money on Pinterest video of mine actually from Google. But what I'd say is just go through and have a look at this and play around with this, because you see this one here, make money on YouTube. This search term here gets 10,700 searches every single month, and I went ahead and did a video on this and I didn't see any traction for 60 days, and I'll briefly show you that and show you exactly what can happen on YouTube. So let me go into my analytics and show you the first video. So this is the video here. This is the how to make money on Pinterest, and you can see here from the graph it's just steadily been going up and up and up, and that is purely because the search term here, how to make money on Pinterest, I went through this process, I went and got the keywords everywhere, I installed the browser, and then I went through that process of, you know, running the numbers on YouTube, seeing which title to use. Once I had the title here, I then created my video. But if I scroll down here, so you see here, YouTube search, so 67% of the views over on this video here have come from the YouTube search bar. But if I scroll down here as well, you see here, Google search, 24% of the views for this from external traffic has actually come from Google search. So you can see on here we've got Facebook, so I have a Facebook page where I share the videos, but we've got Google search, and then we've also got Yahoo search. So people are going over on Google and Yahoo, typing in, you know, how to make money on Pinterest or make money on Pinterest, and my video is showing for them. So this is just one of the strategies that you can use to go ahead and basically get more views and grow your YouTube channel. So what I would say is go ahead, get that browser and run the different numbers and the different search terms and the keywords into the YouTube browser, and just have a look at the numbers and aim for anything below 5,000 searches a month. Now let me go ahead and show you another video, because this one's quite interesting. So you see here, this how to make money on YouTube. So I went through the same process of what I've shown you. I started running the search volumes over into YouTube and seeing, you know, what people were searching for. Now this one here, how to make money on YouTube, this currently gets 10,000 searches every single month. So I went ahead, I did my video, and as you can see here, nothing happens to this. I was getting absolutely minimal views for this, just nothing was really happening with this. But then randomly, on day 50, about here, it then started getting picked up by YouTube, and then not only was it showing up in the search results when people were searching for this, YouTube was actually promoting this and sharing this video for me. And you can see here, let me scroll this back up. This was day 50, and it just went absolutely nuts. This video here, you can see here, in the last 48 hours, it's had 370 views. So if I just let me just move that. So you see here, and this one here has come from, let's scroll this down the page a little bit further for you. You can see this has come from browse features and suggested videos, because what's happening here is YouTube is going ahead and having a look at your video, and if they see, this has got an audience retention, so this average video is 4 minutes and 27 seconds. It's also got a pretty decent click-through rate on this thumbnail. But what's happening here is once YouTube finds people are watching your videos and they're watching them for quite a few minutes, they then start sharing that video for you. Now it's happening on this video here, this how to make money on YouTube. It's starting to happen a little bit with this video here, but both of these videos, these are both geared up to be able for people to find them in the search box over on YouTube here. So that is today's video. That is just one method that you can use to go ahead and grow your YouTube channel. It's absolutely free to get started with. Keywords everywhere is free, and I highly recommend going along this method and looking for search volumes below 5,000. So you can go on YouTube, you can play around with it on here, you can even go on Google and, you know, different platforms as well. So I hope you found this video useful. If you want to go ahead and click the link down below, there's a link over to my YouTube course. It's literally $10. I've priced it very cheaply so anyone can go ahead and get started with this. It also shows you the other, I think it's about another 7 methods that I share in that course of different strategies and different methods that you can go ahead and use to grow your YouTube channel. So if you have any questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.